Hook, you're trying to build your credit, right? You've heard about the Chime Credit Builder, but you're wondering, what's the deal with the credit limit? I mean, credit cards are all about limits, right? Well, buckle up, because the Chime Credit Builder is a little different. Let's talk about one of the most common questions people have about the Chime Credit Builder. What's the credit limit? Now, if you're coming from traditional credit cards, this might throw you for a loop. Because with the Chime Credit Builder, the credit limit works a bit differently. How credit limits usually work. Before we dive into the Chime specifics, let's quickly recap how credit limits typically work. With a traditional credit card, the issuer sets a limit based on your creditworthiness. It's like a spending ceiling. You can't spend more than that. The Chime Credit Builder twist. Okay, here's where things get interesting. The Chime Credit Builder doesn't operate like a traditional credit card. Instead of Chime setting your credit limit, you do. Your money, your limit. When you open a Chime Credit Builder account, you transfer money from your checking account into a secured account. This money becomes your credit limit. That's right, dollar for dollar. So, if you transfer $200, your credit limit is $200. Transfer $1,000, and your credit limit is $1,000. Why it works this way? You might be wondering why Chime does it this way. Well, it's all about building trust. By securing your credit limit with your own money, you're demonstrating responsibility. It's like training wheels for your credit score. Building credit with the Chime Credit Builder. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so I can only spend what I put in. How does that actually build my credit? Great question. Remember, building credit is about showing responsible financial behavior. With the Chime Credit Builder, you do this by making on-time payments. Every month, you'll get a statement. Paying it off on time, just like with any other credit card, helps build your credit history. Keeping your spending low. While there's no strict utilization ratio to worry about like with traditional credit cards, it's generally a good practice to keep your spending low relative to your credit limit. Gradually increasing your limit, as you build trust with Chime and demonstrate responsible financial behavior, you might be eligible for credit limit increases. The benefits of the Chime Credit Builder. The Chime Credit Builder offers some unique advantages. Control. You're in the driver's seat. Your credit limit is based on your savings, not someone else's decision. No surprises, you know exactly how much you can spend. There's no risk of overspending and damaging your credit. Potential for higher credit scores, consistent on-time payments, and responsible usage can lead to a significant boost in your credit score over time. Frequently asked questions. Let's tackle some common questions about the Chime Credit Builder credit limit. Can I increase my credit limit faster? While Chime doesn't have a set timeline, consistent on-time payments and responsible spending can increase your chances of a credit limit increase. What happens if I don't pay my bill? Late or missed payments can negatively impact your credit score. Can I withdraw the money in my secured account? You can, but doing so will reduce your credit limit. So, there you have it. The Chime Credit Builder credit limit is unique in that it's directly tied to the amount of money you secure in your account. It's a simple yet effective way to build credit responsibly. Remember, building credit takes time. Be patient, make on-time payments, and watch your credit score grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.